Hey guys, it's game day! Don't worry, I got you covered with my Crockpot chili recipe. Okay guys, step one, we're gonna get our pan hot, put some olive oil, and we're gonna go ahead and cook off our onions until translucent for about 8 minutes. Season with salt and pepper, and then we'll cook our ground beef. Okay guys, so I turned my heat up and now we're gonna cook our ground beef. And once this is cooked in about 8 minutes, then we're gonna put our garlic, our tomato paste, and all of our seasoning. And you wanna gently, while you cook this, just break it up. Make sure it evenly cooks. Okay guys, now we have cooked our tomato paste, our garlic, and our seasoning, and now it's time to add our beer. Now I do Modelo. I just love that sound. And we're just gonna pour our beer in here. And I'm only gonna do half because this is a large can. Look at this. This is what we want. This is that chili. Guys, game night, Sunday football, ladies, kids busy, you want something easy to make, this is what you're gonna make. I'm telling you, tortilla chips and sour cream, I'm ready to watch the game. And I don't even like sports. Okay guys, you wanna take this, pour it into your slow cooker. And I'm being careful, honey, because I don't wanna get my outfit messed up. Then let's add our other ingredients. Our beans, tomatoes, cider vinegar, soy sauce, maple syrup or brown sugar, your preference, beef bouillon, and cocoa powder. This is a secret to this chili. Now you're gonna give this a stir. Oh, all these smells. It smells so good. This is everything I love. When the weather gets cold, just give me a big bowl of chili. Now cover and cook this for 4 hours or up until 6. That's it. See you in a sec. Okay guys, so this has been in our slow cooker for 4.5 hours. Let's open it together. Oh, look at that steam. Oh my God, this smells so good. It's perfect. Now, what I do is I'm gonna stir in our Worcestershire sauce. Oh, this chili looks incredible. This is the type of chili my grandparents used to make every Sunday. I love it. Okay guys, so how I serve this is in a bowl with rice, and we just go ahead and put our chili right on top and on the side, just like this. You know, I love these slow cooked meals. You set it and forget it. These are what game days are about. This is what weekend with families are about. You get to enjoy the moment and you have this amazing dish waiting for you. Then what we do is we put some limes, because I love lime squeezed over my chili. We go ahead, sprinkle some chopped scallions, and of course, tortillas. And that's it guys. Eat and enjoy. Bon appetit. Go watch the game.